regrouping addition with ones and tens.
A college organized annual day program. Many people attended the program. 254 people left early and 438 people stayed on to watch the prize distribution. Find out the number of people who had come at the start of the annual day program. To know the people who had come at the start of the program, we need to add the given numbers, that is 254 and 438. Let us add 254 and 438. Step 1. Add the ones and regroup. 4 ones plus 8 ones. So, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 ones is equal to 110 and 2 ones. Keep 2 under the ones column and regroup 1 to tens. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 tens plus 5 tens plus 3 tens. So, 1 10 plus 5 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 9 tens. Keep 9 under the tens column. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 2 hundreds plus 4 hundreds. So, 2 hundreds plus 4 hundreds is equal to 6 hundreds. Keep 6 in the hundreds column. Thus, 254 plus 438 is equal to 692. 692 people had come at the start of the program. Let us see regrouping tens. From a school, 351 girls and 573 boys went on a picnic. How many children were there altogether for the picnic? To know the number of children attending the picnic, we need to add the given numbers, that is 351 and 573. Let us add 351 plus 573. Step 1. Add the ones. 1 1 plus 3 ones. So, 1 1 plus 3 ones is equal to 4 ones. Keep 4 in the ones column. Step 2. Add the tens and regroup. 5 tens plus 7 tens. So, 5 tens plus 7 tens is equal to 12 tens is equal to 102 tens. Keep 2 in the tens column and regroup 1 to hundreds. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 100 plus 300s plus 500s. So, 100 plus 300s plus 500s is equal to 900s. Keep 9 in the hundreds column. 351 plus 573 is equal to 924. 924 children attended the picnic.
Let us recall. 10 ones make 110. 10 tens make 100. 15 ones is equal to 110 and 5 ones. 23 tens is equal to 2 hundreds and 3 tens. 99 tens is equal to 9 hundreds and 9 tens.